Size survey in the Shahi Masjid premises, which is considered to be a birthplace of Lord Krishna. What do you have?
See, first of all, that order itself, in my opinion, it's a wrong order. I disagree with that order. The legal experts know very well, and they have told me also that a survey is ordered by the court only as a last resort when there are no papers to prove a particular title or to prove anything. That is the last resort. Now here the civil court surprisingly have violated the 1991 Places of Religious Worship Act. They have used the survey as a first resort, which the legal experts believe that it should be a last resort. And thirdly, the court has completely disregarded that on October 12, 1968, an agreement was done with the Shahi Idgah Trust with Sri Krishna Janmasthan, and the Shahi Idgah Trust had done this agreement with the express approval of the with the UP Sunni Waqf Board. It was signed by both the parties in 1968. And that is why I had said that after the Babri Masjid judgment was given by the Honorable Supreme Court, I have said that this will embolden the Hindutva elements and it will open up a can of worms. Unfortunately, I have been proven right. And I am sure that the Idgah Trust will appeal against this wrong order, and I am sure that the higher courts will look into it.
Appeal again, you are asking for an appeal in the Supreme Court, or you want to...
No, I am saying that the lower court order of asking for a survey is a wrong order. Why? Because number one, it violates the 1991 Places of Religious Worship Act. The act is very clear. Secondly, the courts have completely overlooked that in this particular issue, on October 12, 1968, Sri Krishna Janmasthan and the Shahi Idgah Trust have entered into an agreement. And the Shahi Idgah Trust, before entering into agreement with Sri Krishna Janmasthan, had the express approval with a letter from the UP Sunni Waqf Board. Thirdly, the legal experts believe that in a civil suit, a survey is done only as a last resort when there are no papers to prove the title. Here everything is there.